Dear friends, let us make a cheesecake that is extraordinary both in looks and taste. This is a sumptuous chocolate cheesecake which is gluten-free and will satisfy all your sweet cravings. I'll be showing the ingredients required for the different layers in different stages. Now we are starting with a biscuit base, a chocolate biscuit base. The ingredients may please be noted down from here. We will start by creaming the butter and brown sugar along with 1/4 teaspoon salt. You can do this either with a fork or with a hand blender. Mix the baking soda to the gluten-free maida and the gluten-free cocoa powder and mix it well till it starts coming together and has a sand-like consistency. Now transfer this to a spring foam tin. We'll be making this cheesecake in a spring foam tin and press this down very well. Now this has to be baked at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Alternatively, you may also use ready-made gluten-free chocolate cookies, crush them, mix them with butter and achieve the same consistency. Now for the cheesecake, you may please note down the ingredients. Start by making a coffee decoction with hot water. Coffee is optional in this case as it gives a slight bitter taste to the cake and can very well be avoided if you do not like it. Melt the chocolate in double boiler or microwave and keep it aside. You may use dark chocolate or milk chocolate as per your liking for this cake. If you want a very rich or dark taste or a slight bitter taste, you may use dark chocolate, otherwise milk chocolate is preferable. Start whisking the cream cheese, which should be at room temperature, and add sugar in 3 to 4 batches and incorporate the sugar very well into it. Add salt, vanilla essence, dahi, and then incorporate eggs also one at a time till the entire egg is mixed in thoroughly. Then add gluten-free maida and mix with a light hand. Add chocolate, molten chocolate, and then mix with a rubber spatula. I've covered the spring foam tin with 2 layers of aluminium foil as this cake will be baking in a water bath and water can seep into the tray. Pour the cream cheese mix into the biscuit base. Tap it a few times and bake it. Bake this cheesecake at 170 degrees for 20 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 150 degrees and bake for another 30 minutes. Leave the cake in the oven for 1 hour to cool. Take it out, cool it again, and after it has completely cooled, cover the cake with a cling film or foil or with paper napkins or towels to stop it from drying out and keep in the fridge overnight. For the chocolate ganache, melt the chocolate pieces and cream on a double boiler and make a ganache. Once you have taken out the cake from the spring foam tin, take it out very carefully and put it on the plate you're going to serve it in. Pour the cooled chocolate ganache on top of it and spread it as per your liking in whichever way you like to spread it, either to the sides or just on top. Now make a chocolate whipped cream with heavy cream, sugar, chocolate or cocoa powder and vanilla essence. And once it has whipped very well, transfer it to a star nozzled piping bag and decorate your already sumptuous looking stunning cake and serve this to your family. Please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more such outstanding recipes. Thank you.